For years, my travel tech pouch was a mess. First, a chaotic graveyard of tangled cables and random gear thrown in just in case, and then later, an overly minimal setup that left me stranded without essential items. I knew something had to change, so recently I paused and, taking advantage of Prime Day, asked myself, what do I actually need? Today, I'm walking you through my fully upgraded and purpose-driven tech pouch, built intentionally to support productivity and simplicity on the go. No fluff, just gear that earns its keep. For the actual tech pouch, I went with the Air Slim Pouch 2. In the past, I tested slimmer pouches like these two from Backsmart, but I always felt these were too thin to carry more bulky things like a power bank, a power brick, or a mouse. A couple of years ago, I bought the Air City Pack Pro backpack and I absolutely loved the design and quality of it. So really, the Slim Pouch 2 was a natural pick. Are there cheaper alternatives that would work just as well for me? Absolutely. But I blame my OCD for wanting my backpack, this, and any future pouches to have some sort of symmetry. The trick here is finding a pouch that works for you. I'll leave the link to some other options I considered during my research in the description below. For keeping all my devices charged, I went with the Anker Prime 100-watt charger. This gallium nitride wall charger, by the way, don't ask me what gallium nitride is, all I know it's newer technology replacing silicon-based components. And this charger will replace my old Anker Nano 47-watt charger and the bulky 65-watt Lenovo brick. It delivers 100 watts over 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, so it can handle both laptops, plus phone and accessories. Despite its power, it's compact thanks to its foldable prongs and features Active Shield 2.0 with intelligent temperature monitoring and thicker, grippier prongs. So, one charger equals no more juggling bricks. For a power bank, I always carry this Anker 10,000 mAh portable charger. This is my standby battery for long flights and all-day client sessions. It fully recharges my phone twice and can top up a laptop in a pinch. Eventually, I like to swap it for the rich magnetic power bank, as it is sold out now, but that one has built-in cables and an Apple Watch charger, which will be just another step towards simplifying my setup. If you have it or have used it, let me know if it's any good in the comments below. For cables, I just bought this 4-feet 2-in-1 USB-C to USB-C cable from Anker, which lets me charge two devices from a single port. It's simple, neat, and the cable clutter is eliminated. I'm also phasing out my USB-C to Lightning cable for my AirPods Pro 2 and replacing it with this TechMate USB-C to Lightning adapter. I'll see how this adapter holds out over time, but in any case, I do plan to upgrade my AirPods when the new generation comes out, but for now, I do need a way to charge them using their Lightning port. I'll keep carrying this Apple Watch charging cable until I can get my hands on the rich power bank that I mentioned, and once I have that, I'll be able to completely get rid of this cable. For sharing my screen during in-person client meetings or connecting to a TV at a hotel, I got this Anker Nano USB-C to HDMI cable adapter. Oh, and I almost forgot, I do carry a portable screen in some of my trips, so I'll use this cable for that as well. As you can see, I have a lot of Anker products. I'm not sponsored by them, but I have been using them for years and have never had any issues. They're not the only brand that makes good charging accessories by any means, but just one that I've been using for a while, so I do recommend their products. Lastly, I don't use any SD cards or external SSDs yet, at least not ones that I need to carry with me, but I do anticipate grabbing a camera soon. For now, I do carry this 7-in-1 USB-C hub, which includes a USB-A port, an HDMI port, and SD and micro SD card slots. Someday I'll probably need to upgrade to one that also has a USB-C port, but for now, this does the job. On the more miscellaneous items, I carry an extra large premium Japanese fiber cleaning cloth, as screen smudges just ruin my focus. This high quality cloth leaves screens spotless and you can even wash them to keep reusing them. I also keep one of these in my car to clean the touchscreen, and so far they've worked great. On a recent work trip, I lost the USB receiver for a cheap mouse I bought for traveling, and I had to spend days struggling with the trackpad. So I upgraded to this Logitech M550 Bluetooth mouse, which is now indispensable during long laptop sessions, and I no longer need to worry about losing a USB receiver. Last but not least are these Apple USB-C headphones. For the most part, I try to keep my work and personal accessories separate, so I don't pair my AirPods Pro to my Lenovo laptop. Instead, I opt for these wired headphones which have great audio and the microphone works well, so I have no issues when taking work calls. I'm curious, what am I missing? Is there a smart accessory or tool I should add to my pouch? Drop your suggestions in the comments. I'm always up for improving and your ideas could be in my next version. So that's my 2025 tech pouch, streamlined and ready for whatever. Client meetings, flights, hotels, you name it. Everything in here earns its spot, and now it lives permanent in my backpack. No more cable chaos. If this setup resonates with you, hit like and subscribe for more travel tech content. And please share what's in your pouch. Thanks for watching, safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.